Okay, so I'm back on again today only because yesterday I went to the Asian grocery and bought many things, and I want to go live reviewing them all. Um, anyway, this is a Jamaican, oh my goodness, an Asian product from Japan, product of Japan. Okay, and I have seen my favorite YouTubers eat something similar. So it's called a baked wheat cake with sweet red bean paste in the center, which I have had the sweet bean red bean paste in bubble milk teas and things like that. So this is just a bun, nice sized bun. And I'm hungry, so I want to try it. They actually have something in here to keep it fresh too. Okay, so this is pretty big. This is like a hamburger. All right, smells sweet, smells good. I haven't gotten much of the paste yet because it's further in. You want to taste a piece of the sweet bar, babe?
It's like a potato roll.
It's sweeter than a potato roll. Very soft, as you can see. There's some of the bean. Very good. I love that sweet bean. You can actually, probably not in the video, but you can see the, well, a little bit. You can see the crystallized sugar in it. Very good. So I highly recommend this. And it must have a lot of butter. For me touching it, you can actually see it has come through. So let's see what the ingredients real quick are. Shortening and sugar, but that's one of the main ingredients. First thing is the sweet red bean paste, flour, water, sugar, egg, shortening, yeast, stuff like that. But it's very good. So this is at the Asian grocery store in Delaware. Anyway, just wanted to go live real quick for that so I could eat it.